Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into the fascinating hidden engine that drives all market cycles.
So, why do markets always boom and inevitably bust? Well, three hidden forces literally control everything.
First up is bias. It's the psychological trigger, a collective expectation creating a massive structural tilt. Next, we have trend. This self-reinforcing momentum phase easily justifies adding way more supply. Finally, excess. This is that ugly tipping point where a massive supply surplus totally breaks the market.
Okay, let's dive into this. These three gears actually interconnect chronologically to drive the whole supply and demand engine.
It all kicks off with Phase 1, bias. People build an overly optimistic or panic-driven assumption about demand.
Normal just-in-time ordering suddenly becomes just-in-case. Factory capacity expands rapidly, packing those supply pipelines.
Then, Phase 2 kicks in. The trend accelerates fast, creating a sustained, rapid upward trajectory in production.
Because demand feels absolutely endless, buyers tolerate sky-high prices. This crazy momentum just acts as a catalyst for more.
But wait, we hit Phase 3, the dramatic breaking point where excess inventory completely swallows actual demand.
Prices get too high, so consumer habits change. Demand softens, but those packed pipelines keep delivering goods anyway.
The crucial takeaway? Surplus inventory forces massive price slashes. It totally breaks the trend and flips everything bearish.
And this brilliantly illustrates how this exact cycle replicates flawlessly across retail, tech, and even agriculture.
Just look at semiconductors. The bias was eternal scarcity, sparking a huge trend but ending in massive stockpiles.
Same with commercial real estate. Developers chase the bias that offices would fill, completely crashing property valuations today.
Let's zoom out. In supply chain economics, this wild ripple is famously known as the bullwhip effect.
See, small shifts magnify upstream. By the time factories catch up, consumers have moved on, leaving only excess.
So, armed with this framework, look at our economy right now. Which phase are we currently in?